Life is a remarkable journey filled with endless possibilities. Each day holds the potential for incredible opportunities, growth, and fulfillment. But sometimes we may find ourselves feeling stuck or disconnected from the flow of the universe. We all experience moments when we long for something more, when we yearn for a change or a breakthrough. And in those moments, it is essential to remember a powerful truth: the universe is always listening. When you declare, "I am open and ready to receive," something magical happens. It is as if the universe itself senses your readiness, and with open arms, it reaches out to guide and support you on your journey. The universe is not only vast and mysterious cosmic entity, but it is also an intricate web of energy, interconnectedness, and infinite possibilities. When you align your thoughts, intentions, and actions with the frequency of openness and receptivity, the universe responds in remarkable ways. You see, when you declare your readiness to receive, you activate a powerful force within yourself. It's as if you are tuning into a higher frequency, attracting the people, circumstances, and opportunities that align with your desires and dreams. Being open, ready to receive, requires courage and a willingness to let go of limiting beliefs and self-doubt. It is about surrendering to the flow of life and trusting that the universe has a magnificent plan for you. Remember, the universe is a co-creator in your journey. It wants you to succeed, grow, and thrive. It wants to support you in becoming the best version of yourself. But it all begins with your declaration: "I am open and ready to receive." Countless individuals have experienced the transformative power of this simple declaration. They have witnessed the universe response as doors open, synchronicities align, and abundance flows into their lives. So, I invite you to take a moment right now. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and declare with conviction, "I am open and ready to receive." Feel the energy of that declaration coursing through your being, igniting your dreams and attracting the blessings that await you. Trust in the power of your intention and know that the universe is there, ready to meet you halfway. As you embark on this incredible journey, remember that the universe not only hears you, but it holds out its hands to help you. Believe in the power of your declaration and let the universe guide you towards the extraordinary life you deserve.